So, CARNEASADA, the Kanye made there is already on there, and also the queso, the cheese.
The mixed. More cheese on top. And
no, it's not good if you don't have that red salsa, preferably verde. So shucks, I forgot the sour cream. So this is corn inside of the air fryer. So we're gonna see how this is gonna taste.
plus we marinated it overnight in the butter and the seasoning. So we're into a little bit.
We're using this air fryer. So on this corn here, we got a little bit more short of. So this is how they look when you put them inside the air fryer. I like them a little bit more of chocolate taste, but look. And here we go now. I'm just about to get this going with the dish of the CARNEASADA like I had on this review. Valley important places. Show you what I have here on the meal from the air fryer. And without actually showing you what it is, it's a quesadilla, CARNEASADA. This is actually leftovers, so I'm a leftover type of man. This is pretty much this is a simple leftover meal from the air fryer. So when you take it out of the air fryer, it's guaranteed that you have to use oil, baby. Here's the leftover meal of the day from the air fryer. Corn quesadilla. Hey, what can I say?